Before we begin, we would like to point out that this video does not just apply to female or hetero relationship. It applies to any relationship in general. Now, let's begin the video. Is there someone you have been crushing on lately and you're just trying to know if they are into you? You feel spark flying between you and a curtain, someone, but you are wondering if there's a real chemistry or if it's all in your head. What's about being if a lifetime pal of yours is starting to see you as more than a friend? Psychology, being the study of the human mind and behaviors, can help decode some messages begin sent to you through body language, facial expression, mannerism, and tone of voice. So with that said, here are the possible signs that they like you. 1. Their body language tell you they like you. Their body language tell you they like you. You notice that especially someone leaning in or gesturing exciting when they talk to you. Maybe they smile more or adjust their clothes and hair when you are around. Someone's body language can be very telling about their feelings toward you. So pay close attention to the way they move to act around you. All the finding and gesturing could be some of the notable signs that they are interested in you and making an effort to let you know. 2. They find excuse to touch you. Do they seem to touch your hand or shoulder when talking to you? Do this only when talking to you if could mean something indeed. Most people express their affection toward others through physical touch. So people have a habit of finding excuse to touch those they feel attracted to. The brief brush of your hands or even playful punch in the shoulder. It all counts. These little touches could be their way of subtly telling you they like you. 3. They introduced to you their friend. It's very important for many people that their friends know about who they are interested in and that their friend approve of the person they are trying to pursue. Did they ask you to meet all their friends or suggest all of you hang out together? This could be the reason why. This may also be their way of trying to figure out how you fit into their life, what you think of their close friends, and if you two are compatible together. 4. They help you with errands. Wow, they really wanna spend time grocery shopping with you or help you with their laundry. Maybe they like you when a friend has no problem volunteering their time and joining you to complete mundane errand. This could be their way of being generous with their time and attention. It also shows you that they don't care about what you do as long as you're together because they love being around you. 5. They share interest with you. If someone likes you, you can expect they will share money of their interest with you. They might exactly tell you about this new video game coming out or their favorite album from their favorite artist or which TV show they being on right now. They might show you name, they might show you and random videos they find funny or ask you to watch some of their most beloved film. 6. They take picture with you. This is a lesser unknown but trustworthy way of gauging whether or not someone interested in you. Have you noticed they like to take pics of you or the two of you together? Do they post about you on their Instagram stories? Someone who like you will enjoy bringing about you to their friends and followers, proudly sharing with others that you two are spending time together. 7. They make plans with you. Do they ask to hang out with you? We don't necessarily mean a casual date either. If they are shy, this could mean asking you to study together or help them on a project. Did you mention something you are interested in and they responded, actually saying they love you, go with you? or that you two should definitely do that something. Well, they might like you. Number 8. They message you a lot. If someone been texting and chatting with you frequently, there is a good chance they are into you, especially if they are the one who interested in. Do they greet you good morning and good night? Do they ask how your day went? Eagerly responding to your messages with thoughtful replies. These things show that you frequently on their mind and they wanna stay in constant contact with you. Number 9. They ask you plenty of questions. Asking question is how many of you try to get to know each other better. And it's also a subject which people use to show you that they like you. Pay attention to the thing they ask you and how they react of your answer. Questions that go beyond friendly small talk about how you are doing or what your passions are and what your life is like. Convey an interest in learning more about you. And number 10. They want to be with you all the time. If they love being around you, near complaining that you are spending too much time together, then they ask good chance they romantically interest into you. Do they still miss you when you cannot see you? Even though they text you all the time and just hang out with you on the weekend. After all, when we first fall in love with someone, we want nothing more than to be along with them and spend most of our time together. Love is a money splendid thing that we generally desire. So it can be frustrating when someone you are into is also into you, but won't just come out and admit it. Generally, passionate declarations of love are not the main stock in someone we love, so they do what they can, sending these signals, and hope the person they like picks up on it. And stories about confirmed crush you like to share, or are you in a situation where you still unsure if they like you? Share with us in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.